AI tools offer a variety of benefits ranging from automating tasks to enhancing user interaction. As we approach 2023, there are many exciting AI tools that are available to help businesses and individuals. In this video, we are going to discuss the best AI tools to consider in 2023, each with its own unique capabilities and potential applications. Whether you are looking to automate small tasks, enhance decision-making, or gain deeper insights from the data, these tools can help you achieve your goals or unlock new possibilities in the world of AI. Spiritme. Spiritme is an AI-powered video platform that uses text-to-speech technology to create digital avatars and generate personalized videos. Spiritme lets you choose an avatar from a library of digital humans, giving you the ability to create an entire cast of characters for your business, social media, or YouTube channel. Unlike other AI video generators, these avatars can display a range of facial expressions, so viewers don't feel like they're watching a robot. You can render your video in different aspect ratios like 16:9, 4:3, or square, and even choose the vertical and horizontal orientation to match your target platform. From there, you'll be able to export your video in 1080p or 4K HD, ensuring that you have crystal clear content for any use case. Vzi is an AI-powered website builder that creates fully functional websites in minutes, no design or coding skills required. This website builder automates your entire website design process. Just tell Vzi what your business is about and watch it get to work. Without writing a single line of code, you'll be able to create a stunning website in minutes, no matter how new you are to design. Best of all, you'll be able to manage multiple websites on one account, with the option to use your own custom domains. This is useful for freelancers creating client websites, small businesses establishing an online presence, startups launching landing pages, and creatives showcasing their portfolios. ContentGroove. ContentGroove uses AI to instantly generate engaging highlights and clips from long-form videos for your social media. ContentGroove makes it easy to repurpose long-form videos into bite-sized clips that you can share online. Getting started is simple. Just upload videos using any browser or the mobile app, add a YouTube or Vimeo link, or subscribe to a YouTube channel. From there, the AI will automatically highlight engaging 30 to 45-second video clips, then convert them into shareable content that's ready for sharing. Snippets AI. Snippets AI is a Visual Studio Code extension that can generate, refactor, debug, optimize, and store code for your team. All you gotta do to integrate an AI programming assistant into Visual Studio Code is install the Snippets AI extension. With this extension, you'll be able to choose between 4 leading AI models: ChatGPT, GPT-4, Google PaLM2, and Claude. You can refactor any code in seconds just by highlighting it and letting the AI assistant suggest new ways to optimize. Tuney. Tuney is an AI-powered platform that lets you generate, customize, and sync soundtracks to your video content. No editing skills required. Use this AI music editor and generative music platform to create custom soundtracks for your video content. Tuney sources music from talented artists around the world, so you can create your own customized soundtrack for any project in just a few clicks. Because it's a breeze to make changes to the intro length and beat drop, you'll be able to tailor any song to fit your video content.